Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how September 2020 is going to be for Aries or Mesha Rashi. Firstly, let's look at the planetary positions. They are in this way. Your Rashi Lord, that is Mars, is in the first house, Rahu in the third, Venus in the fourth, Sun and Mercury in the fifth, Jupiter and Ketu in the ninth, and retrograde Saturn in the 10th. So if I have to talk about the positive planets for this month, they are Rahu, retrograde Jupiter and Venus, and rest of the planets will not be so favorable for you for this month. So with the blessings of the benefics, that is Venus and retrograde Jupiter, they are actually in very good positions for you. So you will be blessed with some positivity and lot of courage this month. Though your Rashi Lord is located in your in his own house, still you may find that you may tend to get hasty at times, so you need to be very careful about it. And overall, if I have to talk about your comforts, this month is going to be a good one. There will be good times in the family, luck will be on your side. So overall, even if I talk about health, also health in this month may need a slight attention. Okay, so this is your overall what you can say prediction for September month. Now let's look at health, how health is going to be. Things like mental anxiety, there could be some sort of hysteria about something. Eye injuries are indicated, stomach pain and gastritis. Okay, so if you are not careful, then you may have some problem with your digestive system as well. While driving, be very careful, because there is an indication Mars is in his own house and is in your Rashi. So there is a slight possibility of some mishap happening. So you need to be careful about it. And anger may take over at times. So be a little attentive about it. So with the benefic placement of Sun and Rahu, Sun is going to be good for you in the second half of the month. So you can overcome all your health issues. Now coming to career and business. Firstly, let's look at people who are working. For them, they may find some comfort at the workplace. Courage and positivity, you will be on the right side. I would say you will be more positive and courageous this month. What you need to do is follow the timelines, try to continue or complete your tasks in time, so which is very essential for you. You got to hold your nerve. Don't get angry at small things, don't get into arguments, because there is a slight chance where you may get humiliated for no reason. However, Jupiter will bless you with the required wisdom this month, so not much of a worry for working people. For businessmen, if I have to talk about, you have to be very careful while you're communicating with your customers as well as your partners. Good progress is seen in the second half of the month. Second half of the month will be more favorable for you to take those big decisions if you're planning to take some. What you got to do in this month is avoid unnecessary arguments that may not work out well in your favor. An increase in workload is also observed. Okay, workload is going to be higher this month, so make good use of it. If I were to talk about students, it's going to be a steady month for them, an average month I would say. Second half may bring in some good progress in terms of if they are participating in any competitive exams or something like that, you may end up coming out with flying colors in those exams. So put in that effort, stay there, you will definitely have a better month. Now coming to wealth or gains, if I have to talk about, speculation in this month is a strict no. Say no to gambling or speculation this month. And you have to be careful about impulsive spending. Don't be very impulsive in spending. Use your knowledge, or rather I would say use your experience and spend wisely. If you are impulsive, it could lead to some sudden losses which may not be very favorable for you. If you want to invest in the long run or long term, you need to seek proper advice and only then invest. Now if I have to talk about the inflow is going to be adequate or even more than adequate. So nothing to worry about in terms of gains, but only thing is you need to be careful about your spending. Now coming to the family atmosphere, as I said, Mars in his own house, Mula Trikona, yes, it's all favorable, but there's one negativity which can crop in, that is he may make you a little more aggressive. Your voice, your speech may cause some problems in the family. So be very careful in using those, you use those proper words to ensure that the family atmosphere is cordial. Okay, children can give you a little trouble. There's a possibility of an argument with your spouse, so be very careful on that. Elders' health in the family may need some attention, so please take care. Specifically, your father's health may need some attention. You may spend on some good causes this month, okay, and then the Ketu's placement, if you see, is very conducive for you to continue your spiritual pursuits. Okay, the spirituality, that angle is going to be more for you. It's been there for some time now, and it is going to be more now, because we'll see that some major transits are happening in this month. Okay, Rahu, Ketu are going to change their houses. Then Jupiter and Saturn will turn to normal motion. They're kind of retrograde now, and then you will see that Mars turning retrograde in this month. So your Rashi Lord is going to turn retrograde. So you may experience a little sudden happenings in this month. So be very careful about that. There are certain remedial measures that you can take. So these are the remedial measures or the upayas that you can do for this month. If you want to chant, you can chant Om Namo Narayanaya 108 times every day. Please continue reciting or listening to Hanuman Chalisa every day, because Saturn is retrograde and he is placed in your karma sthana. There could be some turbulences which can crop time and again. So please continue reciting Hanuman Chalisa every day. If you want to donate a few things, donate articles related to Mars, that is, you can donate some red cloths, somf or fennel seeds, you can donate the masoor dal, okay, on a Tuesday. So you do this, then definitely things are going to get better for you. You can also pray to Lord Lakshmi Narasimha. So that is also going to give you some more positivity and can bring you more success in your life. So I wish you all the best for this month. Namaskar.